Okay, let's continue with this this bathroom. I'm doing the vent system, and let's just make a simple. That should be 1.5 inch. Let's do 1.5 inch vent system is typical for most fixtures. The water closet usually has a 2-inch vent. So is that in 9 feet? So let's keep that at 9 inches, 9 feet. And let's create a similar. I'm gonna go here and go 45 all the way here. And from here, let's go down 5 feet. Go 5 and apply there. Let's move this down. Doesn't have to be exact. So we have that in 9. What I'm trying to do is get to this vent riser. Let's go around. Then the shower is going to need a vent, so we're going to continue with this. That's 1.5 inch. I want to create similar. Let's create similar. I think what I'm going to do is from here, let's go, so I can go all the way here and then down 5 feet. Let's just type this in. 5. Okay. Apply. So I want to catch it right here. Let's go down. And 1 1/2, 1 1/2. Uh-oh, in between is too great. What? What's Revit doing to me? Uh-oh. Let's try something. Let's go here, here, here. Okay, here. Let's see, let's go here. Elevation is 9, 1 1/2 inches. I'm going 90 degrees. I don't know what Revit was doing there. Okay, so we go here. Everything is at 9 feet. I'm going to go here and make this connection. Okay, let's extend. Let's go modify and extend. Here, there. Okay. And so this vent is coming from, let's make another vent for the washer and dryer. Because the washer and dryer has a trap on it. So we can come, let's go somewhere in here at 35. Escape, and we can go draw a pipe. Let's go 5 feet again. Let's go 5. So it's going down. And I think what I'm going to do is come across. Let's see what's going on here. So that must be the vent for the water closet. That's the vent for the water closet. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm going to have this erase. I'm going to connect my washer and dryer connection to this riser at less than 9. I'm going to make that, let's go 8 feet. Let's go back And let's go here. Let's make this, create similar. I'm gonna make this 8 feet. And go here. And let's go down 5 feet. Erase this. And I need to align. Let's align one pipe, second pipe, and go back and make that connection. Okay, let's go back. I want to, let's synchronize. So this connection, what's this connection? What's this? Oh, okay, that's this. That is down below. Okay. So I think that let's look at this so I'm not confusing the issue. I'm going to hide this piece. Let's hide that piece. Let's go right click and hide and view elements. Hide. And I'm going to hide this piece. I'm going to hide this piece as well. Not that one, this one. Hide, let's hide this piece. And what I need to do is connect this piece with this element. It's a little bit higher, but I'm going to come from the bottom and connect to it. So let's go over a little bit. And what I don't have is the vent for the toilet. So that's going to be easy to do. So the vent for the toilet, let's make that a 2-inch. Let's see what size. Okay, that's a 2-inch. Let's create similar and I'm going to come from here, 2-inch, but let's go back. Let's go back. Let's do that. Did that work? No, I don't want to do it like that. Let's go make this. Let's go 5, because I want to come from the bottom. Okay, let's go from the bottom and just make the connection. Let's get this guy out of the way. Let's make that connection. Okay, so we came from the toilet area. This toilet area. Okay, so we have the vent for the toilet, and now let's come all the way back. I can come all the way down here. And make this connection. Okay, so we made that connection from here over, and we have the toilet. Actually, I don't need this piece. I can erase that because it's coming from the toilet, but I'm not going to make the connection. Let's go back and undo that. Undo. Okay. So at least it can appear to come from the toilet area. Okay. And let's synchronize this. Okay. So let's see. And we have our vent from the washer and dryer, vent from the shower, kitchen sink, lavatory, and water closet. And it is going up and down. I can leave it like that. That's good. That's fourth. That's a vent riser, fourth level, grid line D5. However your office standard is. So we got a water closet. Okay, everything looks. So only thing we have to do now is to put the sizes on the vents, and that's easily done. We can do it like this. I want to do a free end with the leader or without leader. 1 1/2 inch vent or with the leader, free end, 1 1/2 inch. Let's go 1 1/2 inch vent here. We can do that. Okay. Let's sync. Okay. And I think that I'm going to finish here. And I hope that helped. And I will talk to you guys later.